Tucked neatly out of sight, this home embodies privacy and serenity. Incredible wraparound country front porch/deck connects with a large side deck for exceptional outdoor entertaining. Ease of entertaining continues inside with a modern open floor plan that is culminated by the beautiful loft area. Speaking of the loft area, the entire home is flooded with natural light, and this is especially true of the loft. The loft would make a great office area, among many other potential uses. Spacious bedrooms, unique upgraded jetted tub in the master suite, built-in bar area in the kitchen/dining area, and much more. Full and finished walkout basement holds a lot of potential for increasing the finished square footage of the home. If you love privacy and seclusion in nature, this is the home for you. Come see it today.